If you hate writing essays, creating spreadsheets, or grinding hard to nail that next presentation, you might be in luck. Google has announced the next iteration of their Workspace cloud computing platform, and it's truly something out of a science fiction story. There are other players in this arena, but will Google's efforts be enough? What are they bringing to the table that we haven't seen so far? Let's find out. After search and YouTube, Google is well known for its cloud computing tools, collectively known as Google Workspace. This fantastic collection of software has helped millions of users worldwide to work, study, and plan things better by sharing their work instantaneously across the globe or across the office. Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and other tools are the first choice of many users to get the job done. Google even provides a specialized version of this collection branded for education, known as Google Classroom, serving around 150 million users worldwide. After a 17-year-long march, Google is now ready to take the next stride that will take its service to the next level by adding a touch of AI to make things easier. That's right, generative AI is coming to Google Workspace, and they are calling it Duet AI. Google plans that this tool will save you tons of time, simplify things, and automate menial tasks so you can focus on the bigger picture, like watching cat videos or getting lost in YouTube shorts. We've been teased about what's to come over the last few years. If you are using Gmail, you might have noticed that when you type in a sentence, Google gives you a prompt to complete that sentence. This tech is highly ramped up using large language models in this new iteration of Workspace. It's designed to give you better suggestions, coach you to write better, and help you visualize your tasks across a wide variety of topics and fields. Google did a selective launch of this mad powerhouse of creativity to a select number of testers. They were shocked by the sheer number of ways people used these tools to streamline how they worked and add a dash of creativity to their tasks. You won't believe the sheer power of this AI. It's like having a document-making wizard by your side, effortlessly creating many everyday documents in a split second. Seriously, it's mind-blowing. This AI is a total game changer when it comes to handling everyday documents. It's ridiculously fast. It can whip up essays, project plans, sales pitches, client emails, and so much more. If you're into all things AI, hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop and never miss out on the latest mind-blowing advances in the world of artificial intelligence. Remember to turn on the post notifications so you're always the first to know. So, how can you use this AI to help you? If we can all agree on one thing, it's that presentations can be daunting. It's not easy to walk up to a group of people, start showing them slides, and hope they understand every word you say. And when it comes to presentation, a picture speaks 1,000 words. Sometimes finding the right image can take you a long time. Crawling through image search results, stock images, or clunky clip art barely fits the narrative you are trying to create. Say for example, you are giving a presentation at your parents' wedding anniversary party and want to show your parents' passion for all things cheesy. No need to trawl the internet anymore. Just type in the image you want as a natural language input and watch the AI generate multiple images for you to choose from. If you're not happy with the drawing, you can ask the AI to generate more photorealistic images as well. AI tools are only as good as the prompts you give them. Some even call this task prompt engineering. With time and practice, you can create even better prompts. But Google wants to remove this obstacle and create a proactive prompt generation method to speed things up for you. Google is planning to call this place Tech Sidekick, as this opens up a side panel on your Google Docs page and helps you with whatever you're writing. It's smart enough to understand what you're writing, and it can suggest questions you may ask the AI. It can help you continue your writing, revamp what you've written so far. So if you're procrastinating at work or you're suffering from writer's block, it's time to get the help of this sidekick and keep on writing. And by using the new Sidekick tool, you can create speaker notes for your slides. So, need to create separate flashcards? You can get AI to create and practice your talking points at home, or read it out. All you do is create a vision for your idea, and AI can take over and do all the menial tasks for you. So it's time to bid goodbye to all that presentation anxiety you might have. These tools are amazing for creating new stories, completing homework projects, and loads more. You'll be able to take family story time to a whole other level and entertain everybody at a campfire, dinner, or just a long road trip. Okay, that's fun and cool to use at home, but you might wonder how to use this tool at work. It packs a big punch when it comes to crunching menial work tasks. For example, say your small business needs to hire a new textile designer. You need to write a good job description to attract the best person to assist you with your task. But job descriptions are boring and tedious. Well, say goodbye to the old way of doing things and let AI take the wheel. Simply click the Help Me Write button, give a natural language prompt with a few words, and let the AI do its thing. The Palm 2 model will then churn out exactly what you're looking for. Well, maybe you need to tweak a thing here and there, but you get the picture. The hard work is already done for you. All you need to do now is to add a personal touch and make it sound authentic. Job done. You might be thinking, yeah, that's cool. Even ChatGPT can do that for me. Here's something ChatGPT can't do just yet: creating spreadsheets. We all know that no one wants to deal with spreadsheets. The worst job is creating them for a whole new problem. Say your small business as a dog walker needs a new management table. How would you go about it? Does the very thought of it give you a small migraine? Well, not anymore, because this super AI can create sheets for you. Just type your need into the handy input tool next to your Google Sheet and watch the magic unfold. It will create and fill example data onto your worksheet so you can understand what goes where. And you just created a tool that you will use every day in a matter of seconds. So you can really save tons of time and money if you were to use outside help. Unlike templates you can download directly from the internet, the use of Duet AI can help you customize your sheet based on your text prompts. Now, if you're wondering how this all works, it's not a miracle, but Google's Palm 2 model. It's a great model that has over 500 billion parameters. It's strong enough to understand the nuances of natural language, complexities of code, and math problems, and even understand jokes. That powerhouse is now at your fingertips to create fantastic documents, sheets, or even images to help you with your daily tasks. Microsoft Copilot is definitely trying their best to beat Google in this work collaboration space, and they do have some tricks up their sleeve. But Google is working hard to bring their new product to the market as soon as they can. At the Google I/O event, where most of this tech was demonstrated, Google promised to bring all this computing power to your laptop really soon. The way these companies are stacking up their tech in the AI's arms race is truly mind-blowing. They are not willing to back down, and we are reaping the benefits. And we're lucky to live in such a fantastic time. Every day a new piece of tech comes along, wows us, and leaves us stunned. Where will the world go once we automate all our tasks? Will these techs allow us to work less? Or maybe earn more with an automated small business? If you are starting a small business, the timing could not have been better. Thanks to all these triumphant steps in AI, how are you planning to use these tools? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.